Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of TeamViewer app. You will click on settings. In this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about TeamViewer and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment or 30 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.